In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to your Squarespace website with ease and clarity. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, this guide will help you navigate Squarespace's intuitive interface to enhance your site's navigation and functionality. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Squarespace website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you may need to sign up for an account to follow along with this tutorial, so take a moment to do that if necessary. Once you're logged in, Squarespace will take you to your dashboard. This is your central hub where you manage all aspects of your website. Now that we're on the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the website section. This is where all the magic happens. Here you'll find options that allow you to tweak and adjust your website to suit your specific needs. Click on Website, which will unfold several options for you to explore. Among those options, look for Pages and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the different pages currently on your site. You can see the architecture of your website laid out in a way that's easy to manage. And look out for a neat little plus icon right beside the main navigation tab. This icon is your gateway to adding new content to your site. Clicking on the plus icon opens up a drop-down menu with various options. For our purpose, we're going to select Link. This option allows us to input a URL of our choice and embed it directly into our site, which is extremely helpful if you want to direct visitors to a specific page, either within your site or an external website. Now comes the part where you fill in the details. You'll see a simple form that prompts you to input the desired URL link. This is where you paste or type in the web address you want to connect to your Squarespace page. Take a moment to double check that you've input the correct link, as you don't want to mistakenly direct your website visitors to the wrong location. Once you have your link set up and you're satisfied with your input, the process is essentially complete. You can now enjoy the satisfaction of knowing that you've successfully added a link to your website, making it more accessible and connected. If you want to see your changes take effect, click on Save or Done and revisit the main navigation to confirm you've successfully added the link. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your Squarespace website by incorporating new links. By following these steps, you've made your site more dynamic and user-friendly. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was as helpful and easy to follow as intended. Happy website building!